Let's take a look at the difference between a manufacturing business and a service business. A manufacturing business tends to use natural and capital resources to make outputs. Natural resources are like raw ingredients, whilst capital resources are like machines. In a manufacturing business, the consumption and production process are separate. For example, Smith's chips are produced at a manufacturing site and then consumed by customers at the grocery store where they purchased it from. Manufacturing businesses produce tangible goods. This means that they can be physically touched. On the other hand, service businesses tend to use labor resources. Labor resources refer to the people that carry out tasks. In a service business, the consumption and production process are simultaneous. For example, on a Qantas flight, the production refers to the service being given by the air hostess, and the consumption refers to the customer using that service at the same time. Service businesses produce intangible services. This means that they cannot be physically touched.